Hey guys, Mikey here. Welcome back to another short video of the data analysis basics in our video series. Today we'll be looking at how to find the unique column values in R, and also we'll be looking at how to estimate the number of unique values we have. So for that, as always, let's create a sample data frame. Looks something like this. So we will try to find out the unique values in the column 2, which is the battle 1 score, and we can also see how we can locate the number of unique values we have. For that, we can use the unique function. So if you run this function, we can observe the unique values we have. So for the column, we have 10, 3, 9 and 4. The two other rows here are kind of repetitions, and using the length function we can actually find how many unique values we have. So this will be kind of really helpful when we have like really large data set and we are trying to see how many repetition we have, and if we want to remove it or try to get an overall idea of what are the kind of scores we are getting. So in those situations, it's very helpful. Here in the case of like 6 rows, it's not that useful, you can just count it, but yeah, I just wanted to like show you how this can be done. Well, that's all for now. I hope you found this video helpful. Also make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're interested in more similar data analysis and R related videos. So till next time, ciao.